everyone, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making a fun little project using these tattered writing cards. And this is a new kit in our Etsy shop. And these cards, they just have some cute little writing lines, and some of them are sort of a shabby style, and then some of them are more of like a vintage style. So I printed out just a few of these that we're going to be using for the project today. And what we're going to be making is a little folio, and I've got a freebie for you. It's this Folio Base, and this is just, a basic piece you can use to kind of start your folio. And what I did was I flipped it over and I printed a printable paper on the back, and this is from our coffee and lace papers. I'll put links to all this down below. But what we're going to do, and this is printed on cardstock, and what we're going to do is just cut this out and kind of assemble it and get it put together. So let's get started. Okay, so we have everything cut out, and we've got our little folio freebie piece here. And you can see when I cut it, I left a little white on the edge here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use some Distress ink to kind of blend that in so it doesn't stand out so much. Okay. So now we can just go ahead and decorate using some of the pieces that we have. Going for kind of a layered look, and I think adding some texture would be good. So I might get some lace or cheesecloth. And I don't actually use cheesecloth like a lot of the kinds you find in the stores nowadays. I use something kind of like the creepy cloth that they use at Halloween. It's a little more loose, so I'll grab some of that. So this is what we're using, and the kind that we use is actually cheesecloth, but I'm not sure that they sell this brand anymore. But lately I've noticed the kind that I buy in stores, it's a lot more of a tight weave, and I like the looseness of this one. I think it just has that tattered look that we're going for. And we have a link to our Amazon shop down below, so you can get some of the items we use, or at least similar items. And I'm just going to be choosing some pieces to kind of layer and create pockets. So I won't be doing a lot of talking here, but you can just follow along and kind of see what I'm doing. Okay, we're done with our folio. Let's go ahead and just kind of take a look at how we did. So what I love about this is that you can't really tell kind of where the pockets end and the ephemera begins. Everything has so many layers to it. It's just really kind of a cute, sweet little piece. And it's really simple to make. You can do it in just an hour or less probably. And I love the pieces that come with these tattered cards and tags. They really help with that layering effect, and then the cute little kind of faux stitching that I added I think helps too. But this was a fun, simple piece with a lot of wow factor, and I think it would look really beautiful in a journal. Let me go ahead and grab one really quickly. So I've got a journal here, and this would be super cute just as like a cover piece or tucked inside the pages. Just as a little addition to your journal. So thank you everyone so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to click and get your freebie down below and check out these kits that we used today. And we'll see you guys next time.